This is day 2, or well, day 3 actually. But Julio came back and dropped those other 2 trees. You got this one. This was the dead one. Or they're all dead, but this was the really dead one, the rotten one. And then I'm gonna get down here. And then that was the other tall one. And here are the stumps. But no oak tree. We lost one oak tree. It was about 4 inches around. It was right over there. It was just a little one. I told him I didn't want to lose any, but just losing that little one was, I think that was acceptable. But other than that, everything's fine. This one did get dropped down in between this, but I didn't hurt anything. There might be a little scar there. We'll seal that. In a year, you'll never even know it was there. But this one, this big oak, which is nice, shading the parking area, and especially this one that leans out over that'll shade that real nice over there. So I was very concerned about these 2 trees. But other than that, everything looks good. The tank is all in one piece. We built a little A-frame around the water pipes, and then Jimmy and I built a little thing up top there to, just didn't want to break any of the pipes. And of course, I showed you, we ended up breaking this water pipe, but that's no big deal. We'll patch that when we're all done. We'll hook those back together. But anyway, that stump and that stump. Should have the rest of the brush out of there and today, and then haul logs tomorrow. We should still have time to get everything we need done for Saturday. So I'm gonna send you a quote, bid, whatever, for the guy that's for Greg with Peterson. He's gonna do the work. He's gonna hook up our water to the pool. And there was also some work that I think I told you last time he was here. There's 2 bypass valves that were frozen down in the Italian room, down in the water softening room in the house. And he just said, well, next time he's up working on it, he'll fix those. So this is as good a time as any. It's a great time anyway, since he's going to be in there working. He has some work he had to do to that treatment center system. So anyway, he's going to do that. Anyway, he sent me a quote, and I'll forward that to you. And but I told him, go ahead and get us on the schedule because we need this done. And so he's coming he's coming on the 22nd, 21st, 22nd, I'm not sure. It doesn't matter. He won't be interfering with any of the other stuff going on. And then Julio with whatever it is, Spanish version of tree surgeon. Anyway, he's going to send an invoice, and he was wondering if he could get paid before he goes. He's going to go back home on the 6th of November. So I told him that probably wouldn't be a problem, but I know obviously we have 30 days from invoice, but anyway, so I'll get that invoice to you as soon as possible. But anyway, everything's going good, and yeah, then after we get this cleared out, Monday we'll looks like Monday before we start taking this down, this shed. I think that was it. They brought in some materials today, some compost. And some rock for the pathway. And then, oh, I sent you that email from Hannah, who said she's going to come look at block 1 to assess if they're going to take any of those grapes. So anyway, I called Tony and Madeline and asked them what was going on. I thought nobody was buying anything. So anyway, Tony's supposed to get back to me on that, get back to us on that. Because if they were talking about taking a ton or a ton and a half, and I don't want that to mess up your claim just for 1 ton. Probably costs more to pick it than the grapes are worth. But anyway, I called Tony about that, and he's going to get back with us. So I don't know what's going on. But she didn't show up today, so she said she was coming out today to look, and I didn't see her. So apparently they're not coming out. So I don't know. Anyway, that's all I know for now.